Enhancing teamwork through cultural understanding. Hello, learners. Today, we're diving deep into the world of business and workplace culture. More specifically, we're looking at how understanding this culture can play a vital role in enhancing teamwork and collaboration. Grab your notebooks, and let's get started. At its core, business and workplace culture is the shared values, beliefs, and practices that guide and shape the behaviors of individuals in an organization. It's the invisible bond that connects employees and dictates how things are done. Imagine you're working with a team of diverse individuals, each from a different cultural background. Without understanding the nuances of their business etiquettes, communication styles, or work ethics, conflicts can easily arise. By understanding and respecting these cultural nuances, you're fostering an environment of mutual respect. 1. Fosters unity. Recognizing and valuing cultural differences leads to a more cohesive team. 2. Boosts communication. It allows team members to communicate more effectively, reducing misunderstandings. 3. Enhances problem solving. With a diverse understanding of cultures, teams can approach challenges from multiple angles. 4. Drives innovation. Diverse teams, when working harmoniously, can think outside the box, leveraging the unique insights from each cultural perspective. 1. Educate yourself. Invest time in learning about the cultural backgrounds of your team members. This isn't just about national cultures, but also corporate or departmental cultures. 2. Open dialogues. Encourage team members to share about their own cultural experiences and business practices. 3. Respect differences. Not every cultural norm or business practice will align with yours, and that's okay. The goal is to find a middle ground. 4. Celebrate diversity. Make it a point to celebrate different cultural holidays or milestones. This not only educates but also brings the team closer. Understanding business and workplace culture isn't just a nice to have. It's crucial for the growth and success of modern teams. By investing time and energy into understanding the cultural nuances of your team, you're paving the way for stronger collaboration and team harmony. We hope this video was insightful and wish you the best in enhancing your team's collaborative efforts. Until next time.